other than profits, like how do you measure your success?
Wow, I never thought about it this way. Uh, but yes, I mean, profits are, the easiest way that you can always enjoy your success or maybe measure it. But for us, it is, as I said, I've been telling this again and again. For us, it is how many lives, are we able to touch with our experience, with our product, with our culture, with our community is what matters. So for us today, if regardless of what the profit is or what the loss is, if if we if we still are able to withhold the brand positioning in our customers' point of view, in our team's point of view, in the market standards for that matter, in all parallel levels, maybe customers, employees, our vendors, the merchants, those who have worked for us. If we still withhold the position in their eyes that नहीं यार बबल पॉप के लिए काम करना है, बबल पॉप ठीक है पैसा शायद लेट देगा, पैसा शायद कम देगा, शायद ज़्यादा देगा, बट बबल पॉप के साथ काम करने में मज़ा आता है या बबल पॉप जाने में मज़ा आता है. At the end of the day, for us, it is very important of the emotion, sentiment, and the experience that bubble pop delivers. In no matter what vertical it could be from a brand to a customer, from a brand to an employee, from a brand to a merchant, from a brand to a competitor, even for that matter. We want to remove this taboo of a brand being unapproachable. I mean, today sitting with you, I mean, you're almost a decade younger than me, more than a decade younger than me and Sunny, but we feel very honored that youngsters like you at least thought about getting in touch with us to know how businesses work better or in more detail or more in depth, right? So this is the kind of impression we want outside, that tomorrow if anybody wants to get associated or connected with bubble pop, if they don't second thought about it, that's success for us. Profits and loss are just a balance sheet in a business journey. So I think profit and losses are more for our investors to judge, to measure us. But for us, on a brand perspective, how good we are doing is purely through how many people and how many lives we can connect with. That's all that we believe in.